How to fix 403 forbidden error problem. First up, let's clear the broken data that the website might be remembering. Open your browser and click those three dots up here in the top right. Drop down and click Settings. Next, look at the sidebar and click Privacy and Security, then hit Third-Party Cookies. Scroll a bit and click See All Site Data and Permissions. See this search bar at the top right? Type in the website that's giving you trouble. For this example, I'll type in TikTok. Once it pops up, just hit that trash icon and click Delete. Boom, fresh start. Now, sometimes our browser extensions get a little too protective and block websites by mistake. While you're still in Settings, look down at the bottom left and click Extensions. Try turning them off one by one to see if the website starts working again. If you're still locked out, here is a quick pro tip. Try opening the site in a completely different browser. If it works there, you know it's just a temporary glitch with your main browser. And that's it. Give those steps a shot and let me know in the comments which one worked for you. If this helped you out, smash that like button for me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!